Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to knit a corn stitch. Easy stitch, beginner friendly, and this stitch I'm going to use for the baby bonnets that I'm already knitting. The number of stitches has to be divisible by 2, and here I am using 3.5 millimeters knitting needles and DK yarn. This pattern has 4 rows to repeat, and we are going to start on the wrong side. I cast on 30 stitches. In the first row, slip the first stitch and then just knit a simple ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Showing slowly here. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Like this, and a little bit faster. Knit 1, purl 1. At the end, we always purl the last stitch. It is a salvage stitch. We always slip the first stitch and always purl the last stitch. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, knit 1, then make a yarn over and slip the next stitch. Like this. Look, yarn over and slip. And repeat. Knit 1, yarn over. You can hold yarn over with your index finger and then slip the next stitch, purl stitch. Knit 1, yarn over, slip. And repeat everything again. Knit 1, yarn over, slip. Knit 1, yarn over, slip. A little bit faster. Just don't want the video to be too long. Yarn over, slip and purl the last stitch and turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, then you see the purl stitch and yarn over. So make again yarn over and slip again the next stitch and yarn over together. So already 3 stitches. And here you see the purl stitch, so you knit it. And again, yarn over and stitch, make a yarn over and slip next 2 stitches, knit 1. And repeat again. Yarn over, slip next to, knit 1. Yarn over, slip next to, knit 1. Yarn over, slip next to, and knit 1. So easy, as I said. I don't hold yarn over with my index finger, just slip it at the same time with the next 2 stitches. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last stitch. Turn, and the last, row number 4, slip the next stitch, Now you see the purl stitch, you knit one, and now you see two yarn over stitches and this purl stitch. So we purl three together. You see two yarn over and the stitch. Purl three together and repeat. Knit one, purl three together. Knit one, purl three together. Knit one, purl three together. And go on till the end. Knit one, purl three together. Knit one, purl three together. And at the end, be careful here. Purl three together and the last stitch. And that's it. After that, you are going to repeat everything from the first row and you will get this beautiful and elastic pattern. And this pattern is perfect for baby rompers and baby hats and baby cardigans. If you want to knit uh, a baby bonnet using this stitch, you are welcome. You can find the video later on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much and I will see you soon. Bye.